Welcome back. Now we will study the second part. Part 2 is about operation of a single phase induction motor. It's a capacitor start motor. For this study, we need a supply, data acquisition system, and capacitor start motor. You can see this is the circuit. It's a very simple circuit. We need to connect the ammeter and voltmeter with the capacitor. You can see this is a single phase supply. We connect with supply to ion positive. This is ion positive. Ion negative is connected with 1 and 2 of the capacitor motor. Its ion negative is connected with 1 and 2 it back to neutral. So it's back to neutral, and we need to connect voltmeter. So we can see that ion positive and ion positive same point. So we connected ion and ion negative back to neutral. So it will back to neutral. The next step 16, we need to open the phasor diagram. I have already opened the phasor diagram. I need to set the voltage 10%. Okay, just turn on. You can see. No, this time not I2, it's I1. No, this is the graph. Then it said that we need to increase the voltage 50%. We increase the voltage 50%, but we see that still it doesn't run because it's a single phase supply. For this one, we need to connect the auxiliary winding. So for this one, this is the circuit auxiliary winding. We have to connect extra winding 3 and 4, and we need to connect another ammeter. So we can see the same connection, just need to connect extra winding. So you can see the ion and I2 the same point, the positive. So we connect ion positive to I2 positive. Then I2 negative is connected 3, 4 of the auxiliary winding. This is 3, 4. This is 3, 4. So I2 negative connect with 3 and 4, it will back to neutral. So we connect 4, it back to neutral. So this is all about the connection. Now we need to supply voltage set to 10%. Net supply voltage. Then we have to on this one. You can see this is the diagram. I'll send you this result. This is step 18. This is step 18 result. I'll send you this result graph. Okay, don't worry about this one. Okay, then it said that we need to increase the voltage up to 50%. We increase the voltage 50%. We can see that now it's running. Okay. We turn off. We can see that it's running. Now we need to connect with the capacitor. Because before that we see that the phase difference between ion and I2 is less than 90. To make it 90, we will connect the capacitors 4 and 5. You can see that it's a 4 and 5 capacitor already here. So it was connected 3 and 4. Now I will connect in 3 and 5 with extra capacitor. With this circuit, extra capacitor I just connected, and I need to check step 20 with first voltage 10%. Supply 10%. We can see that the phase difference is this is better than previous one. This is actually step 20A. I can show you the result. This is 20A. This is 20A. Now I need to increase the voltage 50%. we can see that it's running. Okay, and we can see that previously the current ion I2 is less than lagging of voltage. Now it's now it's a little bit flipping, because you can see from this graph. So I'll send you this graph. This is 20B. This is 20B. You can see that there is a difference between the phasor diagram between 20A and 20B. Next one, for next circuit, we have to connect the centrifugal switch in between, before 3 and 4. So we can see that for this one, the previous circuit will same, just there will be modification for auxiliary winding. I2 negative will connect with 6 and 7. There is a centrifugal switch is there, 6 and 7. So I2 negative will connect with 6 and 7 will back to 3. 7 back to 3. Now you can see that there is switch, auxiliary winding and capacitor. All are connected with this one and it's back to neutral. Then we have to turn in the voltage. We have to see that before in the beginning we can see two current for ion and I2, but after a few times we can see that due to centrifugal switch, I2 will be disconnected, so it will show only ion. So you have to record this one. Okay. Where is this one? You can see. Can you record? Or I have to move this side. Okay. You can see. Increase the voltage. You can see the change is flipping. Okay, increase. Now, due to centrifugal switch, I2 is removed, auxiliary winding is removed, only ion is there. Okay, this is all about the result. I will send you the graph. See, just record this one. This is 20A.